It's a new area in the same chapter. Final account, same final account, new area. It is called final account. We can call financial statements, financial position. We are going to learn about the financial position. My dear students, don't forget the statement of P&L is not over. We are moving to a new heading after learning financial position. Again, statement of P&L will be connected to statement of financial position. Remember, we have to do questions both together. So don't stop practicing statement of P&L. Don't stop practicing statement of P&L. Keep practicing. Financial statement. Under financial statement, statement of financial position. Okay, that's the lesson we are going to learn for the day. I am Shadar, your accounting teacher. Never give up. You plan, you work, then you can achieve your victory. Okay, my dear students, under financial position, the first thing we are going to learn is financial resources belongs to a business called asset. Generally, what do you mean by asset, if any? You can easily remember asset means financial resources belongs to a business. What do you mean by financial resources? Any resource which has money value. Any resource which has money value. For example, you have your own furniture at home. So furnitures are resources. Is there a money value for furniture? Yes, of course. So it is there a money value for furniture? Yes. So financial resources belongs to a business. Financial resources belongs to a business. That means you have a furniture, for example, at your home. It belongs to you. Same time, it has money value. If you have a money value for the furniture resource, we call financial resource. Otherwise, it is just a resource. You have mother, you have father, but we don't call they are asset in accounts because they are human resource. They don't have money value. We can't put mother 50,000, father 100,000, brother 10,000. We can't put values like that for human being, right? But for furniture, we can put a value, right? Cupboard, we can put a value. Bed, we can put a value. So simply to understand what is asset mean, financial resources belongs to a business. Students, take a new page, write a heading asset and write it down. The notes coming one by one. Quickly write it down. Once you finish writing.
Bed. Bed.
Bed, okay. Furniture.
Drawer.
Okay. Cupboard. Yeah. What else? Look around.
Book rack.
Very good. Furniture. It's also coming under furniture. Very good. What else? You are learning in the computer or phone?
Phone.
Phone also asset na bata.
Yes, sir.
There I sitting on the bed or chair?
Bed.
Don't you have a table?
Yes, sir.
That table also asset, right?
Yes, sir.
So look around down, tell. Right. Are you sleeping and studying? No, right?
Sir.
No. Very good. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So assets means financial resource belongs to a business. My dear students, remember carefully, remember one thing, financial resource belongs to a business. Any resource which has money value we call asset if it is belongs to us. This is not the definition of asset. This is the sentence that I give you. You can't find this in books, okay? I give you to make you understand about asset. Now, can you understand what is asset mean? Say yes or no? Y-O, no. Just a message. Y-O, no. Y-O-N. Y-N. Yes mean Y, no mean no. N. One letter only. Learn this coding here after this. Very good, very good. So it's easy to understand what is asset mean. I'm happy to hear that all Y's are coming 100%. Very good. Okay. But what is the definition of asset? If you take an asset, you can define the asset through 3 characteristics. Sometimes in exam, they used to ask, what is asset mean? What do you mean by asset? 1 mark question. 1 mark question. You can't ignore 1 mark even. 74 B, 75 A. Results. 1 mark decides. So don't ignore even 1 mark. So if they ask you to find the asset, the definition, we have to tell the characteristics of asset. If you don't write now, I will give you time to write. Characteristics of asset. If you take a characteristic, number 1, characteristics of an asset, number 1, it's a past transaction. It's a past transaction. What do you mean by that? Now, if you have a furniture at your home, it didn't come from the sky, right? Your father or mother bought it. They paid money and bought it. That's how it came to your house. You are living in a building. It won't just come overnight. Now, most of the people, most of the people living in this world with imagination, sometimes we may also have some ideas like that. But what is the idea? Many people think, night time we sleep in the bed, one spider come and bite us, next day morning we will become Spider-Man. Like that only we become a rich people. Like that only we will pass the exam. So this is what the many of the people's imaginations. That's not true, my dear. We have to struggle. We have to work hard. We have to work smart to win in the life. So nothing comes freely, Buddha. Nothing comes freely, my dear students. Past transaction mean whatever the assets you have, it came through the transaction. That means you bought it. You bought it. Or else someone gifted you. It's very rare that you get gift of assets, but you get sometime. So it is a past transaction. Asset comes through the past transaction. Could you understand? Can you send a message? YN. Quick, make it fast. Could you understand? If anyone have doubt, we can ask anytime. No problem. Any asset comes to business with buying that asset. That is called past transaction. Right. Yes. Any doubt to that? Tell me.
Sir, any asset?
Don't write anything. One characteristic is past transaction. Okay. You can put your hands down now. Many of the hands are raised still. Second characteristic of an asset is this. Controlled by business. What is controlled by business? Controlled by business means if a business has an asset, it the business can do anything with the asset. They can keep it, they can break it, they can sell it, they can throw it, they can gift it, they can do anything. You have a TV at home, for example, I am taking. How the TV came to your home? Is it from sky or is it from the sea it came? No, you bought it. So it is a past transaction. Number two, you can use the TV, you can off the TV, you can break the TV, you can change the channel, you can keep it in main hall, you can keep inside the room. The owner is your father or mother, mean they can do anything with the TV. Because of you are doing O level, they can keep the TV inside their room, or else they can keep it closed without seeing, without watching, without switch on. Their wish. Asset mean we have control over it. The time we are sleeping, we are out of control. We don't have control over sleep. Sleeping time, what we do, we don't know. But the wake up time is under our control. If you plan yourself, if you set a timetable for you, if you stick to the timetable, we can make use the time. Control. That's what I can tell you. So what is controlled by business? The business can do anything with the asset they wish. They wish. Controlled by business. Could you understand the second point? Can you send 2y or 2n? 2y, 2n. If anyone have doubt, please ask me. 2y, 2n. There is a third characteristic of an asset. Actually, if you see your textbook, my dear, asset means there is a paragraph. If you read, you can't understand anything because you are student. Anyone have doubt? Please. Two people raise their hand. Umar, Khattab, Loknath, any doubt? Please ask. Your hands up, that's right. Loknath, any doubt? Okay, it's not in the class, I think. Ilman Afil, any doubt? Okay, right, no problem. So there is a paragraph, what is asset means. Since you are a student, you can't just read and understand, my dear. That technical terms, normal things you can understand. Technical terms, we can't understand easily like that. So I have summarized that paragraph into 3 points. Let's see whether you can understand. Number one, past transaction. Number two, controlled by business. 2 points. Okay. The third characteristics of an asset is number one, past transaction. Number two, it is controlled by business. And number three, it flows in economic benefits in future. Let me explain first. It flows in economic benefits in future. First of all, what is economic benefit mean? Economic benefit mean money. Money. Okay, so that problem solved. Economic benefit mean money. In future, I don't want to explain you. You know that, right? Future. Economic benefits, money flows in. Flows in mean, now for example, you have a furniture. In future, if you sell the furniture, you will get money, right? If you sell the furniture, you will get money. That is called flows in. You will get in. You will get what? Economic benefit. That means money. So when you define the asset, you can't say it flows in money. You have to say what? It flows in economic benefits. That's how the definition given in accounts. So it flows in mean it's coming in. What? Economic benefits. To make it clear, you can underline and note it down. Money. So money comes in future. How? If you sell the furniture, if you sell the computer, if you sell the building, if you sell the furniture, if you sell the laptop, if you sell the phone in future, if you sell, you will get money. That is called, it flows in economic benefits in future. What about third point, my dear? 3YON. If you take a sentence, what is asset mean? Asset mean resources which are arose through past transaction, controlled by business, and it flows economical benefits in future. It flows in economical benefits in future. This is how the definition sentence go. But if you write what you mean by asset, if they ask a question, what do you mean by asset? Define asset. You write these 3 points. You are 100% correct. Asset mean a past transaction controlled by business. Asset flows in economical benefits in future. You can note it down now. Write the notes very clearly and neatly the way you understand. So I don't want to tell newly asset examples: land, building, vehicle, computer, cash in hand, stock. Many examples we have learned about the assets. So if you want, you can write some examples. I can give you some example for assets. Okay, let's see. You can note it down after I give time. Okay, you can put your hands down now, please. Assets examples, I have given some examples. Land, building or building, vehicle, cash balance. Cash balance means whatever the money you have in your business. Okay, whatever the money you have in your business, you can say cash balance. Stocks, goods available for sale. Likewise, debtors. These are some example for assets. Some examples for assets: building, land, vehicle, cash balance, stock, debtors. Can you note it down quickly? Quickly note it down. Cash in hand mean cash balance. Huh? This mean cash in hand mean cash balance. Quickly write it. What it can be asset? It can be bank balance. There can be furniture. There can be computer. There can be furniture. There can be investment. All these are asset. Don't worry. We will learn. We already learned. Again, we will learn. Right. So let's move to the next one. There are two types of asset. There are two types of asset. Asset can be divided into two types. Matlab, I am coming to your point. Non-current asset and current asset. There are two assets: non-current asset and current asset. Non-current asset means it can be known as capital expenditure also. Non-current assets also called as capital expenditure. Capital expenditures are non-current assets. But generally in accounts, when we write, we don't write the term capital expenditure in accounts. That means in statements. Huh? In statements, we don't write capital expenditure. We used to write non-current asset. But same meaning. Same meaning. I have a name, but you don't call my name, right? Usually you call what? Sir. Sir. But same meaning. You are calling me, that's all. Likewise, non-current asset means you can call it as capital expenditure. It is the non-current asset. Okay. What is non-current asset? Let's come to the point. Non-current asset mean, example we can see, Non-current asset, example we can see land. This is a land I have shown here. Building is a vehicle, only half we can see, right? Assets used for long term. Any asset you use it for long term without change. Building, once you construct, you can use for long term, 50 years, 20 years, 30 years, like that, long term. What is long term? Actually, more than 1 year. Huh? If you buy a land, you can use the land for many years. If you buy a vehicle, we can use it for many years. If you buy a computer, we can use it for many years. Furnitures, what you have at your home, you ask your parents, sometimes it bought before you born, 16 years back. Sometimes you bought newly, you will be using another 20 years. These are called non-current assets. Assets which we can use for long term without changing. The shape, the size will not change, remain same. What is current asset? Okay, do you have any doubt in non-current asset? Tell me. Y-O-N. That's all. Coding, huh? Only code I need. Y-O-N. Do you have any doubt? If not, you can write it down. If yes, you can ask. Switch on the mic and ask.
Sir, non-current asset means using only for 2 years or
Not
5.
I didn't say 2 years, no, long term. More than 1 year. It can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 5, it can be 15, like that. Understand? Okay.
Yes.
Any other doubt? Rashad, Noel, any doubt for that?
No, sir.
Can you note it down? Non-current asset heading, assets used for long term. And this note also you have to write it down. Non-current asset can be called as capital expenditure. Asset used for long term. Example, I have shown 3 example actually. Land, building. This is a vehicle. Huh? Only windscreen you can see. It's a vehicle. Okay, vehicle. Write it down quickly. One more non-current asset. Quick. Make it fast. Come on, come on. One more non-current asset. Come on. Land, building, vehicle I have given. One more. Not your home, Riham. At the business. At the business I am asking. Riham? Okay, okay. Right. Okay, enough. Let's see whether you are correct. Parking. What is parking? Computer, okay. Furniture, okay. Laptops, okay. Equipments, okay. Motor vehicle, already they are made here. Zikra, mortgage loan. Loan is a liability, not asset. Huh? Loan is a liability. Car parking. Parking place you are talking, right? Riham? Parking place, right? Okay, good. Very good. Very good. Let's go. What is current asset mean? What is current asset means? Current asset means asset used in the daily business transaction. Assets used in the daily business transactions called current asset. Used in the daily business transaction. For example, I have given stocks. What you see here is goods available for sale, ready for sale. We call it stocks. Stocks are current asset. It used in the daily business, buying, selling, right? Data, we are selling on credit, collecting money, selling on credit, collecting money, selling on credit, collecting money. Stock, data. 2 points I have given. Third one I have hidden here. Second one, listen carefully, everyone. I'm going to ask a question now. Stocks. You are keeping these goods for sale. So you buy, you sell, you receive money, you buy, you sell. When you buy, we pay money. Debtors, we sell the goods on credit. We will collect money, sell the goods on credit, collect money. This is how it goes. So I have hidden one thing here that is connected to these two. Now, when I am explaining these two, I connected that asset also, which is used in the daily business transaction. Can you tell me what is that? The third point. Quick, make it fast. Very good, very good, very good. Sikra, Nabila, very good. Fazrin, very good. Quickly you found. Sajida, no. Very good. Cash, money, 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 cash. We buy, we pay money. We sell, we get money. Debtors, we sell the goods on credit, we collect money. So cash is a current asset. Assets used in the daily business transaction. Example, cash balance, debtors, stocks, cash balance, stocks, debtors. Could you understand? Yes or no? Current asset. Can you send me one more current asset? Quick, make it fast. One more current asset. Income is not asset, Akila. Cash in hand, I have already given. Risk mean, you are very good. We are correct. Stock already I have given, my dear. Rashad wants mean it is not asset. Fatima Ashraf, electricity is an expense, not an asset, my dear. Only Rismin gave me the correct answer. No, 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 no. Vehicle is non-current asset, Umera. Waqif, well done, Puta. Keep it up, keep it up. You got the point. One more. Earlier you said current asset. Zikra Yasin, what is your answer? Can you send it again, please? Zikra, can you send the answer again? Ranhita, inventory means stock, my dear. Kenza, can you switch off your video? I'm scared. Can you switch off the video? Okay. Kenza, your answer is correct, ma. Excellent. Very good. By mistake, you have switched on the video. Right. Ranhita's inventory means stock, my dear. Right. What is the correct answer? Zikra, what's your answer? You didn't send me again. You are correct. But cash in bank is current asset. The other one, normally it is non-current asset. You can take it as current asset because it won't change. You can take it as non-current asset. Huh? Even it is 12 months, 6 months, you can't take it money, no, my dear. You can't use in the daily transaction. Could you understand, Zikra? Even 6 months, fixed deposit, you can take it money back immediately, right? It will be fixed. So it is non-current asset. Okay. So bank balance is the prepaid liabilities, not prepaid liability. Prepaid can be, can you explain what is prepaid mean? Still, I didn't come to the point. Okay, no problem. Prepaid, don't say liability. Yeah, that's correct. No problem. Fatima Ashraf. Right. Okay, so current asset, data, you can note it down. Data, stock, cash balance, bank balance. Bank balance is the fourth answer. There are some more current assets. Later, I will discuss you, not now. Right. Okay, my dear student, let's move to the next slide. We are getting late, already late. I have to finish certain areas today. Okay. Now, non-current asset mean NCA, current asset mean CA. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Quick. Write your answers. You write your answer on your book, okay? After finishing, hands up, please. We'll finish this thing up, okay? Already 7 o'clock, right? Furniture. Furniture is non-current asset. Check your answers. Computer, non-current asset. Bank balance, current asset. Inventory, current asset. Investment, current asset. How many of you got 5 out of 5? Quick. Send me a correct answer number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many marks you scored? Send in message. 1, 2, 3, like that. 5, all 5. Correct. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okirta, can you switch on the mic?
Yes, sir.
All 5 are correct, right?
Yeah.
Can you read your answer? Furniture, non-current asset, like that. Can you read your answers?
Yes, sir.
Quick, quick.
Furniture, non-current asset. Computer, non-current asset. Bank balance, current asset. Inventory, current asset. Investment, current asset.
Very good. Very good. So this is how others also send 5. But my dear students, you have to note a point. There is one answer is wrong here.
Investment.
Very
Investment.
good. Keep it up. I have kept a trap. Many of you got caught. Be careful. Investment is not a current asset. Investment is non-current asset. Investment is not a current asset. It is a non-current asset. It won't change time to time. You invest your money, you will keep it for long term. So investment also a non-current asset. So my dear students, today we discuss about current asset and asset, non-current asset, current asset. Characteristics of asset. I hope you understand and enjoy the class, and we will meet in next class. Until that, never give up. See you. Bye.